Take a look at this video. This is one of the largest textile plants you will find in China today. And just watch what they produce. 90.99% of what they produce in this factory obviously ends up in Nigeria. And you will see the way these things are produced from scratch. Just watch and see the space. This is just like a section of the factory. You are going to see the other part of the factories, and what is happening in this place will shock you. Just watch. So after the production, this is the final line, this is the finishing line. Once it gets to this point, they seal them and arrange them before the forklifts will come pick them up, and then they compress and package for shipment. You will also see how these things are actually exported out of the country. And all those labels you always see on wrappers, this is exactly how they attach them to the wrappers. You see, right? Now, if you watch this place, you know that the machines they have here is way I don't know how to qualify this, but this is a typical textile plant, and this is what Nigeria used to have several of it that was controlled by the government in the past. But today, none of them is functional, not even one. The Nigerian textile industry has collapsed, just like the Nigerian steel industry collapsed. And this is simply because of the nonchalant attitude we have shown to all these things. Look at how these things are exported. This is the packaging before they are further moved for shipment. Now you begin to imagine how many workers are employed in this factory and how much this factory generates. This is how they load them into containers, and then they are exported. Let me just say 100% of everything produced here comes to Africa. All of them ends up in Western Africa. It should be Western Africa, because these are most of our own fabrics. And then here in our own country, we celebrate it. Ashebi, they've chosen wrapper, they've chosen Ankara, they've chosen. This is how they are produced. Some people even send designs of the kind of wrapper they want to use. They send them to these places, and they produce them with their designs for them from here. And this is exactly how our jobs are exported. This particular wrapper, I know this particular design very well. This has been in the Stallion. It has been there for many years. What is the big deal in, like, our cotton industry has even collapsed? In the past, the colonial masters built a rail line connecting Katsina to Lagos, or as it a road connecting Katsina to Lagos was typically for the export of cotton. Cotton today, does Nigeria still produce cotton? No. The little we produce, we sell them off as raw materials. We are never trained to utilize our own raw materials within our country. If you hear tomorrow that China is becoming the world power, this is exactly what it means. Productivity, industrialization. The Nigerian government, the Nigerian individuals have to invest in this. Look at the amount of money we ship out of this country to all these countries. This is how we are giving jobs to these people, and these jobs could actually benefit us locally here. I pray and hope that people get to just know the importance of investing in Nigeria than bringing continuous importation of finished goods into this country.